Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that promises to keep your eyes looking bold and defined for hours, no matter how busy your day gets. Today, we're diving into the Stila Stay All Day Smudge and Set Waterproof Gel Liner in the shade Stingray Black. Whether you're a fan of tightlining, smoky eyes, or just want something that stays put on your waterline, this gel liner claims to do it all. Long-lasting, smudge-resistant, and waterproof. Let's see how it holds up. So what exactly are we working with here? This is a pencil eyeliner designed with a matte finish, offering a gel-like consistency that makes application smooth and easy. The formula promises up to 12 hours of wear without budging or fading, which is a bold claim, especially for those of us who have long days or struggle with liners that run or smudge. It also boasts features like blendability and being smudge-resistant, which makes it versatile for different eye looks. Whether you're going for a soft, smudged smoky eye or a precise defined line, it sounds like it's got your back. Now let's talk about my experience using it. I started by applying this liner in the waterline, and I have to say, it goes on super smooth without dragging. I've tried other liners in this category before, and some can be quite hard to apply. This one felt much creamier. Plus, the color payoff is intense. The Stingray Black is deep, rich, and the perfect shade for making your eyes pop. I didn't have to press hard, which is always a bonus. The real test for me, though, was whether it would stay in place. I wore it all day, from morning until late evening, and I was impressed by how well it held up. The liner stayed put with no fading or smudging, even when I was out in the humidity. I even rubbed my eyes a couple of times, just to test it, of course, and it didn't move. It didn't migrate into the fine lines of my skin, which can sometimes be a problem with waterproof formulas. So far, so good. However, there were a couple of minor points to note. While the formula is great for tightlining and making a bold statement, I found that it's a little less forgiving when blending out for a softer look. It dries down fairly quickly, so if you're trying to blend it out, you'll need to work quickly. Also, while it's smudge-resistant, I wouldn't say it's entirely smudge-proof if you're rubbing your eyes a lot, but it definitely outperforms most liners in this category. As for value, this eyeliner isn't exactly the most affordable on the market, but it does deliver on its promises. For the longevity and performance, I'd say it's worth the price. If you're someone who wears eyeliner regularly and needs a liner that stays put through long hours or tough conditions, this is a solid investment. Comparing it to other gel liners, Stila definitely holds its ground in terms of performance. Some other options I've tried don't offer the same staying power or intense pigment, so this is a great choice for anyone who prioritizes longevity. If you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly, you might want to try something like the Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Liner. But keep in mind, it doesn't always have the same level of water resistance. The packaging is sleek, and I appreciate that it's a pencil form rather than a pot, which makes it much easier to use on the go. I don't have to worry about spilling any product, and the twist-up mechanism is pretty convenient. As for build quality, it's solid. It feels high-end, but it's not overly bulky, so you can easily toss it in your bag without worrying about it getting damaged. If you've tried any Stila products, you probably already know that the brand's customer service is generally top-notch, but I didn't need to reach out for this product. I haven't had any issues with it, but it's always comforting to know the brand stands behind their products. So, would I recommend the Stila Stay All Day Smudge and Set Waterproof Gel Liner? If you're looking for a long-wearing waterproof eyeliner that won't budge or fade, this is definitely a good pick. It's ideal for anyone who needs a reliable liner that can handle long hours, high humidity, or just wants something that'll stay intact through it all. If you're after a softer look, you might want to try a different formula, as it's better suited for more defined lines. But overall, it lives up to its claims. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new review. Your support helps us keep bringing honest reviews to the table. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this liner or have a favorite you swear by, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.